do want to get to our Bitcoin alert. Asif, you've got a big announcement that you want to share first on CNBC. Some of it leaked earlier. That was the acquisition of Paradox. Some of it did not. So what is your announcement?
Yeah, so look, you know, you and others have always been asking us when and why can you not list more assets? Why can you not let us trade more things? And I'm delighted to announce two things today that are going to significantly increase the amount of assets that people can trade on Coinbase. The first is the launch of Coinbase Pro, which is an active trading product. It's brand new. It is a set of institutional grade products and services as well as direct market access. It's an evolution of our GDAX platform, which we launched 3 years ago and has been super successful. But GDAX, we're now basically splitting in two. The Coinbase institutional suite of products, which we announced last week, and Coinbase Pro now for the individual investor. And then secondly, we bought Paradox, which is the leading relay in the world. And this will allow you to trade literally hundreds and hundreds of tokens from your own wallet. And we're actually going to make that compliant with the US rules. And so day one, it's going to be available for our international clients to trade all these tokens. And then as soon as we can, we are going to turn it on in the US, where our US customers can also trade all these tokens that they want. And so, you know, we're greatly increasing the number of things that you can trade. We're doing it in a compliant way. And we're just delighted that this will significantly enhance the proposition for our customers in terms of what they want to trade and how they want to trade it.
But again, that goes back to the regulatory unclarity. You've got the token trading available for international traders, but not available to the U.S. traders.
Yeah, so we're actually going to set this up where it's in the U.S. It's going to be a bulletin board. So it will be. It's not an exchange. It doesn't look and act like an exchange. It's not a matching engine. It's a bulletin board. And in that way, we think, just like bulletin boards work in equity markets, we will be able to offer these assets for people to be able to trade through a bulletin board mechanism in the U.S. And it'll be slightly different outside, but we will allow, you know, we will get this to be compliant, and we will allow our customers to have access to it as soon as possible.
Hey, this is Brian Kelly again. So Paradox, as I understand it, is what we call a decentralized exchange, which essentially lets you to trade any type of token. So are you going to have particular tokens? Which ones will you start with? Will it be a basket?
Yeah, so it's not. Please let me correct you. It's not a decentralized exchange. It's not an exchange in that sense. It is a bulletin board, and that is a very. I'm being pedantic about it because the U.S. regulator views exchanges one way and bulletin boards another way. This is a bulletin board, and if it's a bulletin board, you can actually offer a much broader suite of products there, tokens if you want, to trade. And so our hope would be that most of the tokens that are already trading on Paradox, we will be able to offer in the U.S. in a compliant manner.